YouTube looking to add NFTs in ecosystem expansion efforts. McDonald's job application sold as NFTs on OpenSea following the crypto sell-off. And blockchain-enabled digital fashion creates new business models for brands. These stories and more here on Crypto. Hi, I'm Jaden from Crypto Gems, and here are the latest news on crypto. YouTube intends to go into the NFT sector as part of the company's expansion plans, according to Bloomberg. An excerpt from the letter said, "We're always focused on expanding the YouTube ecosystem to help creators capitalize on emerging technologies, including things like NFTs, while continuing to strengthen and enhance the experiences creators and fans have on YouTube." Memes are part of the internet culture, but they are the therapy for Bitcoiners and crypto traders whenever the market crashes. Some of the top-notch memes are those that subtly devalue the efforts of service employees working 9-to-5 jobs in companies like McDonald's. Most of the memes featuring the American fast food chain usually suggest that crypto traders will have to work or look for jobs at McDonald's if prices continue to crash. One particular meme about McDonald's sharing job applications with crypto traders that trended during the market crash in June last year has become an NFT. Nigerian trader. Anyone interested in crypto for a while and active on crypto Twitter or any other crypto community must have come across these McDonald's memes. The most recent McDonald's meme came on behalf of El Salvador's president, Nayib Bukele, wearing McDonald's employee uniform. It's exactly 7 months since that meme circulated through the crypto space, and the market is bleeding again. Someone has turned McDonald's employee applications into NFT token collection and listed it on OpenSea. 460 McDonald's application NFTs have been minted and are currently trading on OpenSea at a floor price of 0.019 ETH or $47. Google is reportedly launching a new blockchain division as part of its Labs group. The division will focus on blockchain and other next-gen distributed computing and data storage technologies, according to an email obtained by Bloomberg. Bill Reddy, Google's president of commerce, said they are paying a lot of attention to the area. The Trump family has threatened legal action over Trumpcoin, a cryptocurrency created in 2016 to honor Donald J. Trump. Eric Trump, a son of the former president and the Trump Organization executive, tweeted about the coin Monday. "We do not authorize the use and we are in no way affiliated with this group," Eric Trump said. Blockchain technology continues to be a game changer for the fashion industry. Megan Casper, co-founder and managing director of Magnetic, says digital fashion is a very powerful use case for blockchain technology. Many brands remain unaware of the value that blockchain can provide in terms of creating new business models. In order to explain the massive opportunities blockchain can bring to today's fashion world, Casper noted that all brands will initially move to a digital-first model in the near future. Casper stated, "This is where collections are created digitally first, whether in-house or outsourced to a company. The digital-first process reduces time, energy, and capital, all of which are no longer required to preview collections prior to production. The digital collection can then be superimposed onto photos through digital tailoring." For example, Casper pointed out the limited edition fashion drops appeal to certain consumers. Although the Fendi collection featured in Hot Living's January 2022 issue was not NFTs. Think physical sneakers with an NFT wearable version as well, said Bannon. For instance, while it's notable how realistic the digital Fendi collection appears on Casper, the amount of work required to create such an effect is massive. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell, or you can visit our website in cryptogemsofficial.com with new content every day, so you won't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere. And those are the latest news on crypto, and I'll see you on the next one.